Changing families. In last video we saw Kiran's family and Sumi's family with different changes in their family. In Kiran's family there was change because of her younger sister's born, and in Sumi's family there was change because of her father got transfer. So there can be many reasons for changes in families. So today we will see one more reason for changes in family, and that is marriage. So let's start. Before start our chapter, let's discuss this topic, child marriage. Do you know what is child marriage? The marriageable ages of a boy and a girl are 21 years and 18 years respectively. But if someone gets married at an age younger than these fixed ages, then it is known as child marriage. So technically child marriage is illegal in India. A law passed in 1929, the government passed the law and it was updated in 2006. So now, today, both women under 18 and men under 21 cannot legally get married. Dipali's tale. Now we will see what kind of changes will happen in Dipali's family. There is a great joy in Dipali's home today. So, in Dipali's home there is a great joy. Let's see what is the reason of this joy. All are enjoying. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. So, in Dipali's family all are very happy because of her elder cousin marriage. So, do you know there are so many rituals in wedding. A traditional Indian wedding lasts an average of 3 days. So there are so many functions like mehendi, sangeet, marriage, reception. So here in this picture we can see bride with mehendi on her hands. In these pictures they will take 7 rounds around this fire. Then this is a picture of Bidai. And this picture shows the departure of the bride. Now, Dipali's cousin brother got married. So, what changes will be there in Dipali's family now? So, when someone got married, there will be so many changes. So, due to Dipali's cousin's marriage, a new member has been added to her house. Dipali has a new sister-in-law and it's called Bhabhi. Dipali's new sister-in-law will also help in many of the household work. Dipali's aunt will get some relief from work. Now, when daughter gets married, what changes will be there in her family? So, when a girl gets married and goes to her new home, all the people of her family miss her a lot. Here in this picture we can see a girl with her parents, and here her parents miss her a lot. So due to daughter's marriage, her parents may feel lonely. They will miss her for whatever work she used to do. Now someone else or the father will have to do whatever work the daughter used to do. So from her family everyone will miss her. Now this activity for you, talk to your mother and aunties and ask where did they live before marriage? Who were the members in their family at that time? So discuss with your mother and aunties these questions. Has anybody in your family been married recently? If yes, then what kind of special food is cooked at wedding ceremony? So you can think, has anybody in your family been married? And then think about the food is cooked at wedding ceremony. Now, ask 3 old people, one from your family, one from your friend's family and one from your neighborhood. Ask them these questions and complete the table. Here I gave you this example, but you have to write down your own answers in your textbook. Since how many years has the family been staying here? So this is the first question. So you can ask that people and write down since how many years has the family been staying here? Next question is, where did the family live before coming here? Next, how many members are there in the family today? How many members were there in the family 10 years ago? What were the reasons for the changes in families in the last 10 years? So you can write the reason after asking them. So there are so many reasons. There will be so many reasons. How do you feel about all these changes? So ask these people and write down these answers. Now we will see about family types. So basically there are two family types, joint family and nuclear family. So from this picture we can see joint family, and from this picture we can see nuclear family. Joint family. The family in which grandparents, parents, kaka-kaki, brothers, sisters and cousins live together is known as a joint family. So in joint family, grandparents, parents, uncle and aunts with their children all live together under one roof. Here in this picture we can see nuclear family. The family in which there are parents and one or two children is known as a nuclear family. So in nuclear family only parents and their children live together. So in nuclear family there are only 4 to 5 people. That means only parents with their children. So here we can see difference between nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family there are only parents with their children, and in joint family there are grandparents, parents and children. Now let's discuss difference between joint family and nuclear family. In joint family there are so many people live together, so there is no tension of work in joint family. But in a nuclear family there are so many workload and tension increases. Even if both the husband and wife have jobs, there is no difficulty in a joint family. But in a nuclear family, if both the husband and wife have jobs, children are not taken care of properly. Old people are taken care of in a joint family. They do not become helpless because they all live together. But in a nuclear family, old people have to live alone at a different place. So it is very difficult for them. They become very lonely and feel helpless. Family yesterday, today, tomorrow. All families change in some way or the other for different reasons. Yes, in all families there are so many changes occurs in different way. So ask your grandparents this question, that when your grandparents were children like you, was your family just like as it is today? So maybe the answer will be no. When your grandparents were children like you, the family was different. Now ask your grandmother or grandfather how many members were there in their family when they were of your age. So discuss with them. Now make your own family tree. Do you know what is family tree? Family tree is the graphical representation of relationships in a family. So you can make your own family tree with the help of this picture, and you have to stick that family tree in your notebook. So on the top of the family tree there will be your grandparents, then your parents and your uncle and then their children. So you can draw your family tree with your photos also and stick this family tree in notebook. In this chapter we learn about 3 reasons for changes in families. In Kiran's family the reason was baby sister's birth. In Sumi's family the reason of transfer of his father, and in Dipali's family the reason was Kaka's son's marriage. So here our 9th chapter is completed. I will send you PDF file of notebook and textbook exercise. You have to write down in your notebook and textbook. Thank you.